Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pomegranate vinaigrette. First, gather your ingredients: fresh pomegranate juice, good quality olive oil, Dijon mustard, honey, apple cider vinegar, and of course, salt and pepper. Having everything prepped makes the mixing process smooth and enjoyable. This simple step ensures you have a delicious dressing ready in no time, perfect for any salad or dish. Now that your ingredients are ready, it's time to mix. In a small bowl or a mason jar, combine the pomegranate juice, red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, and honey. Whisk these together thoroughly until they are well blended. Then, slowly add the olive oil in a steady stream while continuously whisking. This gradual addition helps the dressing emulsify, creating a smooth and creamy texture. Once your vinaigrette is emulsified, it's crucial to taste and adjust the flavors to your preference. If you desire more sweetness, add a bit more honey. For a tangier dressing, a touch more red wine vinegar will do the trick. Finally, season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Remember, balancing these elements is key to a truly delicious pomegranate vinaigrette. Your homemade pomegranate vinaigrette is now ready to enjoy. Drizzle it over your favorite salads, use it as a marinade, or even as a light sauce for grilled vegetables. For any leftovers, simply transfer the vinaigrette to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 1 week. If the olive oil solidifies, just let it come to room temperature and shake well before serving. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.